Dear student, I am Pradeep Ingre, TGT Maths, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ordnance Factory, Ambernath, Mumbai region. Let us see number line. In natural number and whole number, we have already seen the number line. You know that natural number start from 1. This is number line for the natural number. Whole number started from 0. This is number line for the whole number. Integers consist of positive number, that is a natural number, and these are the negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, how to represent rational number on number line? Suppose this 2 by 3. 2 by 3, first of all, let us see meaning of this 2 by 3. 2 by 3 meaning of this 2 by 3 is that it is 0 and it is 2. Then we have to make 3 parts of this 0 to 2, means we have to make 3 parts of this distance 2. Not only 3 parts, but 3 equal parts. Let us say this one equal part, one part, second part, third part. And this first part is 2 by 3. Second part is multiple of this 2, that is equal to 4 by 3. And this third is 6 by 3. 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Now how to represent minus 3 by 2? To represent minus 3 by 2 means minus 3 divided into 2 equal parts. This is distance, minus 3 distance from 0 to minus 3. We have to divide this into 2 equal parts. So 2 equal parts means this is first part and this is second. This is from this to this is first part, that is minus 3 by 2. And this is second part, that is second multiple of 3 minus 3, that is minus 6 by 2, that is equal to minus. So how to represent 7 by 3? First of all, we make equal parts on the number line. This first part represent this 1 by 3, second represent 2 by 3, third represent 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means it is 1. It represents 4 by 3, it represents 5 by 3, it represents 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. This is 1, this is 2. And next part is, that is 7 by 3. Here you can find this first part is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3 means this is 1, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3 onward. Now it becomes easy to represent on number line. Now we want to represent on number line minus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9. 4 by 9, this is 0. This first part represent 1 by 9, this 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, and this 9 by 9 means 1. Now how to represent minus 7 by 4? Now minus 7 by 4, definitely it is on the left hand side, because positive represent on the right hand side and negative represent on the left hand side. Now we are making equal parts on the left hand side. This represent, this first part represent minus 1 by 4, this represent 2 by 4. This minus 2 by 4 means it is minus 1 by 2 also. It is minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4 means minus 1, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, it is also minus 3 by 2, and it is minus 7 by 4. Now how to represent this minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11? Very easy thing. Minus is there means it is before 0, on the left hand side of 0. So this is 0, this represent minus 1 by 11. First part represent minus 11. This second part represent minus 2 by 11. This we need this, let us say this point is A. Now it is minus 3 by 11. This represent minus 4 by 11. This represent minus 5 by 11. Let us say 5 by 11. Let us say this point is B, that is we require minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, and this is minus 9 by 11. So this is how to represent minus. Now you can do this problem yourself. How to represent 7 by 4, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 6, 3 by 5 on the number line. Now how to represent on number line how to represent rational number between two rational. First of all, let me clarify you. There are infinite rational numbers between two rationals. There are infinite rational number between two rationals, out of which we have to represent some rational number between two rationals. Now, how to represent rational number between two rational numbers? There are two different or many methods, out of which we have got two methods. One method is somewhat difficult method, but it is the method in which we can find the exact one rational number between two rational number in a one step. Let us say this is number line. This represent 0. This represent 1. This represent 2. This represent 3, and this represent 4. Now we want to find 0 is rational number, 4 is rational number. We want to find the exact one rational number between this. Then what we do? We do the average of these two. Let us say this rational number as A, this rational number as B, and we do the average of these two. Average of these two means 0 plus 4 divided by 2. That is A plus B divided by 2. 0 plus 4, that is equal to 2. 2 divided 0 plus 4, that is 4. 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Means 2 lies exactly between this point A and this point B. Let us do another problem. Let us find rational number between, say, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 by this method. Let us say this as A and this as B. Then we can find exactly one rational number between A and B by method of average. Average of A and B is A plus B divided by 2. Means 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole divided by 2. Now 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, these are the like rational numbers. So addition is very simple. 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. 8 by 2, and it is divided by this 2. 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. And 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. It means that between this 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, there is exactly between 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, this 2 exactly lies in between 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Now we try to use the another method to find the rational number. If we want 2 or 3 rational number, the average method is good. But if we want to find 10 rational number, 20 rational number, then it is not suitable. Suppose we want to find some rational number between -2 and 0. -2 and 0. Then you know that -2 means -2 by 1. 0 means 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever may be. So if you want to find the rational number between these two, first of all, make the denominator big. Let us multiply this by 10. Then it is minus 20 by 10, and it is 0 by 10. 20 by 10 and minus 20 by 10 and 0 by 10. So between this 0 and minus 20, there are lot of number. But this minus 20 by 10 and 0 by 10, these are not lies between the minus 2 and 0. But what? Suppose 0 and minus 20 contain near about 19 integers. So minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10 means minus 1 by 5, minus 3 by 10, up to minus 19 by 10 lies between minus 2 and 0. Let us find 10 rational number between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Let me clear you. There are infinite number of rational number lies between two rational numbers. So everybody will get different answer. Suppose any student got different answer than me, then it may be possible that if methods are correct, then that is the right answer, because it totally depend on how by which number we are multiplying numerator and denominator. Now minus 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 8. First of all, what we do? we multiply, we first of all find the LCM of these two. LCM of these two is 48 or 24. Let us say it is 48. 24 is LCM. Let us say it is 48. Then it is 8 by 8 and it is 6 by 6. Then it is minus 40 by 48 and it is 30 by 48. But between this 30 and minus 40 there are infinite number of not infinite, there are many rational numbers, many integers lies. So between this minus 40 and 30 there is 29 by 48, 29 by 48, 28 by 48, 0 by 48 up to minus 39 by 48. So this number of rational number lies between minus 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Let us find some rational numbers between these 3 by 4 and say 5 by 6. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. LCM of these two is 24 or 12. So 3 by 4 into 6 into 6 and 5 by 6 into 4 into 4. Then it becomes 12 by 24. This rational number becomes 12 by 24. This rational number becomes 20 by 24. So if you want to find rational number, there are about 8 rational number as per this method. Between, suppose we want many lot of rational number. Between these two rational there is 13 by 24, 14 by 24 up to 19 by 24. Suppose we want more, then what we do? We again multiply numerator and denominator so that denominator of both become same. And now this become 120 by 240 and it is 200 by 240. So you know that there are many natural number or integer lies between 120 and 200. So we can find 121 by 240, 122 by 240 up to 199 by 240. So everybody get different answer depending on how much is the denominator. This is method to find the rational numbers between two. Find 5, 10, 20 rational number between this pair of rational numbers. Student, thank you very much for listening me and watching my video.